Hello, here we've got an interesting puzzle where white can win the game, but there's a few tricks to avoid. Black actually only has two moves, the king to the corner and to promote their own pawn. It's white's turn. Pause the video if you need some more time, and then we'll have a look at the solution. Okay, it's no surprise that the first move is to promote your pawn to a queen. Then black does the same. Then one pitfall is if you take the black queen with your queen, it's now a stalemate. It's black's turn and the king can't move. Checking the king by moving your queen to h2 gives you a draw because the king can move into the corner and you can't get any more checks. And then the black queen can keep checking your king. The plan for white would be to move the queen out of the way of the other queen and then move the king away to get the checkmate. But then the black queen can do the same thing where it threatens to take your queen. And you can move over to e8, but the black queen does the same again. But now you have this amazing triangle where you can check the king with the queen to e5 move. The king is forced to go into the corner. Now the queen can move back to h8. The black queen moves to h4. You can then take it with your queen, and the black king has to move. Then you can move your king out of the way. Then when the black king moves back, you can then finally checkmate with the queen. If the black queen moves back to a1 to sort of repeat the process, this time you can take the queen, and after the king moves to b8, you can then move the queen in to checkmate. If the black queen checks your king by moving to d4, you can just take it with your queen. Black king is forced to move, and then move your king out of the way, and after black king moves back into the corner, you can checkmate with your queen to h8. And if the black queen moves to d1 to check your king, you can just move your king to c7, doing a reveal check on the king. Black has to block with their queen, and then you can take the queen back to do the checkmate. Okay, that's the end of this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.